the Jews have no right to the land of Israel, does that mean that they should stay here? A lot of these people that come out and they say, I'm against Christian Zionism and I'm against the Jewish people, and they have those Jews, those people, they're not even real Jews, and they have no right to be over there in the land of Israel. It's the land of Palestine, and they shouldn't be over there. Okay, then that would naturally follow then, logically speaking. If they have no right to be there, then where should they be? See, the real true Christian Zionist doctrine, we'll say, the mindset of a real true Christian Zionist is that the Jews should go back to their land, that the Bible teaches. They go back to their land in unbelief, and God gathers them out of all the nations whither He's scattered them. Ezekiel chapter 36 talks about that. It's also in Isaiah and Jeremiah. But if you don't believe in that, then I guess you believe that the Jews have a right to stay in whatever lands they're in. See, if you read the book Revelation and you say, I believe that there's a future fulfillment for this, which is the only logical way to look at it, because there's a lot in there that it could be considered symbolic, but most of it is literal. When a third of all the trees are burned up, I believe that to be literal. It's not symbolic of something else. But what's the key nation in that time period? It's the nation of Israel. The two witnesses come back and they're there in they're killed in the streets of the city where our Lord was crucified, Jerusalem. Well, if God is all done with the Jews, then why on earth would He have two witnesses there in Jerusalem? Doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. But that's what some of these people do. They get very hasty in their hatred towards the Jews, and then they come out and they say, they have no right to the land of Israel. Okay, then that means that you want them to stay here in our country. Better think about that. Okay, you need to study dispensationalism with more of an open mind instead of just watching some junk on YouTube or whatever else, and then that's, oh, we need to stand against Israel and their, being in the land there, and you need to think a little bit more. So I'm going to put some videos here at the end that will explain things, explain what the Bible teaches about the end times and the nation of Israel, and I hope you take some time to study.